On 20th May 2021, that was the World Bee Day. A project of setting up of honey testing laboratory was launched by Farmer Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. This is another pro-farmer initiative which comes just a few days after the central government's historic decision to increase the DAP fertilizer subsidy. The testing lab will be established at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute in Pusa, New Delhi. Along with testing the quality of honey, the testing lab will also be used to test other products of beekeeping under the National Beekeeping and Honey Mission. Pollen, propolis, royal jelly and wax are some of the other products of beekeeping. Central government has always promoted scientific beekeeping. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, funds are also being given so as to encourage the beekeepers to increase production and quality of honey. Sweet Revolution aims to encourage beekeepers across India to make world-class honey so that the export can be increased. With continuous support from the government, even small and medium-scale farmers are setting up and are encouraging themselves in the work. States are on their way to make all possible efforts so that this sector becomes a major source of employment for those who have no land. Honey production has increased from 76,150 MTs in 2013-14 to 1,20,000 MTs in 1920. Export of honey has increased from 28,378.42 MTs in 2013-14 to 59,536 MTs in 2019 and 2020. Integrated Beekeeping Development Centers (IBDCs) as role models of beekeeping have been commissioned. Some of them are in Delhi, Bihar, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Uttarakhand and UT of Jammu and Kashmir. In order to boost the overall promotion of National Beekeeping and Honey Mission (NBHM), central government has approved the release of rupees 300 crore. The fund will be used for development of scientific beekeeping and achieving the target of Sweet Revolution. Along with this, 500 crore rupees has been allotted to NBHM by the central government under Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. Using that fund, a world-class state-of-art honey testing lab has been established at the National Dairy Development Board, Anand. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, central government has funded for opening of 2 big testing laboratories for honey and other products of beekeeping. It will cost an investment of 8 crore rupees each. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said that steps have been initiated for making FPOs of beekeepers along with other efforts to promote scientific beekeeping. The 10,000 FPOs are being made across India. For marketing support of the farmer producer organization, NAFED has developed 14 to 15 honey corners, one in each NAFED bazaar at Ashram, New Moti Bagh, east of Kailash, Panchkula and Mussoorie in their bazaar or retail store. Setting up of epitherapy centers, be diseases diagnostic labs, be hive products processing and bottling units, in-house testing labs, collection, trading, branding and marketing centers, storages are some of the projects which have been sanctioned under NBHM. Roadmap of collaboration with National Highway Authority of India for plantation of bee-friendly flora on roadsides and promoting beekeeping is also being made. It's been 2 months of the launch of Madhu Kranti portal and 10,000 beekeeping and honey firms are already using it. Madhu Kranti portal is a portal for online registration and traceability system. One can track the source of honey and can also get the detailed information about other bee products. The initiatives which we talked about right now are definitely going to lead beekeeping sector towards Atmanirbharta and will make India the biggest exporter of beekeeping products. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.